Hi, I'm Karen with KarenConradHome.com. Today I'm going to show you how to give your home a whole new look with a limited budget, and you are going to be very surprised to see some of the tips and tricks that we're going to use to accomplish that. I am so excited to show you the finished product. Let's go ahead and start in the dining room. If you remember, we had the fake fur because fur is really in, but I didn't want to spend all that money. And so here is our runner. And I didn't even sew this. I just used a pinking shears, and I think it looks great. It adds a lot of texture. So we put that as our base. And then if you remember, this is our lantern that we worked on, and this was the thing we pulled in from the backyard, and we added some berries, and that was my centerpiece. So from there, I started to add in a lot of different colors, textures, and I started to blend in the elegant shiny with the natural. So let me show you some of the elements that made this table come together. So I went to actually Walmart, and I saw these candles, and I just love them. They're candle holders, actually. So they've got a nice little texture on them. You can get 3 of them for $19.99. And we just put the tea lights in with the artificial light. It looks great. These from Michael's have like a nice flicker to them, and they add a beautiful ambiance to the table. So I added those, and then I went to Home Goods, and I got some red mercury glass, and I only got 2 of the containers, and they don't need to match. As a matter of fact, I prefer that they don't match, and so I brought those in. This has a little bit of burlap because remember, this is a lodge theme. And then I added some white berries with a little touch of glisten to them. I got these white berries at Joann Fabric, and they were half price, so they're very, very reasonable. But I liked bringing in the light color with some of the other dark things that we had on the table, and it just makes everything else come to life. So when you use something like this that's light, your reds, even this deer that I added, it all pops, and then the white or the off-white ties into my dishes. So the napkins that I chose, I got these at Home Goods. I had purchased some material similar, but I found these at Home Goods for such a great deal, I just purchased them. And again, I used these berries. I was showing this to you in a previous episode, but if you didn't see that, I get these at Hobby Lobby. You can get them half price, and they work great, bringing in that natural look. Now, I've been using some gold in this decor, and so this has just a trace of gold, and I just thought that with the plaid was a wonderful contrast. So we just have this on the plate, and then I just chose a very simple brown bronze charger, and this is from Hobby Lobby, and again, you can get those for like $2.99. I've got my dollar store wine glasses, which I think look fabulous. And then I like to put little mercury glass candle votives all around on the table. And as you look at the table, it's very random. So I avoid a pattern. I just like to look at it and stretch things out a little bit further, put a couple of them close together. And these were actually on sale. I think I got these for $1. So really, really great buy, and they just add some elegance to the table. Now, the greenery that I chose is a mixture. Once you get these main elements down on the table, then you want to come and you want to fill in with either garland, or in these cases, these are just small kind of sprigs that I picked up at Michael's. So I've got a mixture here of the glisten and the snow. I've got some over here that are the natural color with the red berries without the snow. And as you bring in those different colors and textures, it just starts to give it a beautiful, comfortable designer look. Also, I added these 2 reindeer, very simple. I got these at Home Goods. They were $9.99 each. They sort of had a gold look to them, but not the harsh brassy gold. And I wanted a touch of the deer or, the lodgy look on the table, and I thought this was just perfect. I only purchased 2 of them. I didn't want to do too much of it, but you'll see I've got one on this side and I've got one on the other, and it's placed in a way that it would be looking around the corner. So that's something too, when you have deer or you have things like that, think about how it might look in the natural and then place it that way on your table. So we have got this whole table came together very quickly. And if I was to tell you how much I spent on this table, I would say it was definitely under $100. And to have a look like this for under $100, and they're items that you can use year after year, I feel is just a great bargain. So it makes me want to sit down and have my Christmas Eve dinner. So thank you so much for joining us today. I hope you have enjoyed the dining room table. My name is Karen Conrad. Please go to my website, www.karenconradhome.com, and we upload videos every Wednesday at 1 o'clock, so you'll be able to check out the new things that I'm posting. And then also go to my Facebook page and sign up, like my page, and you will get updates. I always give you a mixture of things like this, of decor, and then also when I stage homes, I like to take you through those homes and give you an idea of how to stage your own home. So we have the free download, free ebook on my website, and then I've got the Basic Home Staging 101 if you're interested in learning how to stage your home or someone else's home for sale. So Merry Christmas, thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time.